Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your ultimate information channel for weight loss, health, and wellness tips. Today, we're getting into the subject of hydration and uncovering the top mistakes you might be making when it comes to drinking water. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for maintaining a good weight, overall health, and well-being. Yet many of us, in our daily routine, unknowingly make errors that can impact our hydration levels and leave us feeling much less than our best. So come on and join us as we reveal the 6 common hydration mistakes and learn the practical tips to ensure you're getting the most out of every water sip. Get ready to quench your thirst for knowledge and elevate your hydration game. First, let's get into the why is it that hydration matters. Before we get into talking right into the common mistakes that you might be making, let's first understand why hydration is so important. 1. You need hydration for optimal body function. Water is essential for numerous bodily functions, including temperature regulation, nutrient transport, digestion, optimal physical performance, detoxifying, and waste removal. Staying well hydrated makes sure that your body can perform these and other main functions efficiently. 2. You need hydration for energy and performance. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, decreased focus, cravings, emotional breakdowns, and reduced physical performance. By staying properly hydrated, you can maintain energy levels and maximize your performance, whether you're hitting the gym or tackling your everyday tasks. 3. You need hydration for cognitive function. Hydration is also crucial for good brain health and cognitive functioning. Even mild dehydration can impair mood, memory, and concentration. So staying well hydrated is key at every moment for maintaining mental sharpness and productivity. Now that we know some of the reasons why hydration is that important, we will get into the 6 most common hydration mistakes. So let's uncover the 6 mistakes you might be making when it comes to drinking water and staying well hydrated. Hydration mistake number 1, not drinking enough water. The most obvious mistake is simply not drinking enough water throughout the day. Many people underestimate their fluid needs and fail to consume an adequate quantity of water, leading to different levels of dehydration, lower physical and mental performance, and all of its associated symptoms. Hydration mistake number 2, ignoring thirst signals. Thirst is your body's way of signaling that it needs more water as soon as possible. However, many of us ignore or don't know how to interpret these signals, leading to chronic dehydration. Pay attention to your body's cues and drink water whenever you feel thirsty. Hydration mistake number 3, relying solely on thirst. While thirst is an important indicator of hydration status, it's not always reliable because by the time you feel thirsty, you may already be mildly dehydrated. Instead of waiting until you're thirsty, aim to drink water regularly throughout the day to stay ahead of dehydration. Hydration mistake number 4, choosing dehydrating beverages. Not all beverages are created equal when it comes to hydration. Some drinks, such as caffeinated beverages, high-sugar drinks, and alcohol, can actually dehydrate you due to their diuretic effects. Limit your intake of these beverages or simply avoid them and opt for mineral water with electrolytes as your primary source of good hydration. Hydration mistake number 5, not drinking before exercise. Proper hydration is especially important before, during, and after training. Many people make the mistake of not drinking enough water before a workout, which can lead to dehydration, decreased performance, and increased risk of heat-related problems. Make sure to hydrate adequately before hitting the gym or engaging in physical activity. You can also use electrolyte powder with your water during exercise to maintain good performance and good energy levels. Hydration mistake number 6, and neglecting electrolytes. Hydration isn't just about water, it also involves maintaining the proper balance of electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are key elements to keeping your body well hydrated and functioning accordingly. Sweating during exercise or hot weather can lead to electrolyte losses, so it's important to replenish them along with fluids. Take a good stand in incorporating electrolyte-rich foods, high-quality electrolyte powders or beverages into your hydration routine, especially after intense workouts. Remember that excessive water drinking can also cause electrolyte losses and disbalances, so stick to 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, unless you feel the need to have more. This will be depending on your daily activities and even weather. Next, it is time that we will discuss the most practical hydration tips for your daily routine. Now that we've identified the most common mistakes that are ruining your hydration game, let's explore the practical tips to ensure that you stay properly hydrated and functioning at optimal levels. First, you need to set hydration goals. Aim to drink a certain amount of water each day, such as 8 to 10 glasses or a specific volume based on your body weight and activity level. Keep track of your intake to ensure you're meeting your hydration goals. Most people don't have a hydration goal and don't even know how much water or liquids in general they are having during their day. They just go with it and add more risk to the chance of being dehydrated without even knowing its consequences. Do not forget to drink water regularly. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water. Instead, sip water throughout the day to maintain hydration levels and prevent dehydration. Also, it is very important to have in mind that the excess water that you may consume can dehydrate you as well if you are not adequately using high-quality electrolytes. So avoid overdoing liquids in general, stay focused to your hydration goal, and consume most of your adequate liquid volume during daylight. Always carry a water bottle with you. Keep a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go to make it easier to stay hydrated on the go. Refill it regularly and make a habit of taking sips throughout the day. We recommend you get yourself a glass bottle or stainless steel water bottle to ensure you are not getting those nasty plastic toxins known as BPAs in your system. Add some flavor to your water. If plain water isn't appealing to you, try flavoring it with fresh lemon, herbs, spices, or a splash of savory, high-quality electrolytes. This can make hydration more enjoyable and encourage you to easily drink more water during the day. Monitor urine color. Pay attention to the color of your urine as a simple way to evaluate your hydration status. Clear or pale yellow urine indicates adequate hydration, while concentrated or dark yellow urine may be a signal of dehydration. Try eating hydrating foods. In addition to drinking water, incorporate hydrating foods into your diet, such as fruits and vegetables with high water content, including cucumbers, citric fruits like lemons, and berries. Remember that part of what you eat turns into water in your digestive tract during the digestion processes. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, optimal hydration is essential for keeping a healthy weight, maintaining your body working appropriately, overall health and well-being. Yet many of us make these common mistakes that can compromise our hydration levels. By avoiding these pitfalls and implementing these Levitas practical hydration strategies, you can make sure you're getting the fluids and electrolytes your body needs to thrive. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the common mistakes you might be making when drinking water. If you found this video informative and helpful, please make sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with keeping yourself hydrated. We love hearing from you. Your support stimulates us. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember to stay hydrated, stay electrolyzed, and keep striving for your best self. Until next time, stay tuned to Levitas for more valuable insights to empower your journey to optimal weight and health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.